Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of ACF Geology, that is Assistant Conservator Forest Geology question paper. And I hope this is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI, Civil Services exams and other type of exams. Welcome to Set 8. Coming to the first question, the useless minerals which occur in association with the ore are called. So the choices are A, tenor, B, syngenetic, C, epigenetic, D, gangue minerals. The useless minerals which occur in association with the ore are called as a gangue minerals. Tenor is the valuable content of an ore, and syngenetic, these are the deposits which are formed after the formation, along with the formation of the ore, and epigenetic means these are formed after the formation of the ore deposits. So the useless minerals which occur in association with the ore are called as a gangue minerals. D is the correct option. Next question, which is correctly matched? So like one, that is a freestone, a uniformly thick bedded sandstone with the flow divisional planes, and two, volcanic breccia, is it related to myelinization? Or three, oil shale, which is matched with rich in sulfide of iron, or four, talus, it is rounded fragments. So which is correctly matched? So the choices are A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. So which is correctly matched is, by obviously seeing this, we can say that freestone is nothing but a uniformly thick bedded sandstone with the flow divisional planes. It's correctly matched. Suppose if you take volcanic breccia, this is not related to myelinization, and oil shale, this is not correctly matched with rich in sulfide of iron, and talus, it is not related to rounded fragments. So that's why among the following, the correctly matched is freestone. Freestone is a thick bedded sandstone and which is uniform and with the flow divisional planes. So A is the correct option. Next question. Hydrothermal ore deposits are examples of A, epigenetic ore deposits, B, syngenetic ore deposits, and C, gangue deposits, and D, placer deposits. So hydrothermal ore deposits are examples of A, epigenetic ore deposits. So A is the correct option. Next question. Examples of non-metallic mineral deposits. This is a very simple and straightforward question. A, graphite, B, copper, C, lead, D, zinc. All these are metals like copper, lead and zinc, and the non-metallic mineral deposit is graphite. So A is the correct option. Next question. Gypsum is. So what is a gypsum? What kind of a deposit? A, sedimentation deposit, B, replacement deposit, C, shear zone deposit, and D, evaporation deposit. Gypsum is a evaporation deposit. It is also known as evaporite. So gypsum is hydrated calcium sulfate, CaSO4 2H2O, and it is an excellent example of evaporite. So D is the correct option. Next question. Gosan is an useful indicator for. So the choices are A, groundwater, B, ore deposits, C, hydrocarbons, and D, hot spring. So Gosan is a very useful indicator of ore deposits. So B is the correct option. Gosan is an useful indicator for ore deposits. Next question. Calorific value of lignite is about. So what's the calorific value of lignite? Lignite is also known as brown coal. And so here the options are A, 7500 BTU, that is British thermal units, and B, 7000 BTU, C, 5500 BTU, and D, 10,000 BTU. So calorific value of lignite is about A, that is 7500 BTU is the correct option. Next question. Ankaleshwar oil field is located in. So the choices are A, Bombay High, B, south of Narmada River, C, offshore of Tamil Nadu, D, Godavari Basin. Ankaleshwar oil field is located in south of the Narmada River, and this is the Ankaleshwar is the first major oil. This has came in 1958. So with the discovery of Ankaleshwar field, so this is located about 80 kilometers south of Vadodara and nearby 160 kilometers south of Kambat. And this Ankaleshwar anticline, so this is about 20 kilometers long and 4 kilometers wide. And oil is very abundant. This is available at depths varying from 1000 to 1200 meters. So Ankaleshwar oil field is located in south of Narmada River. B is the correct option. Next question. Cuprite and tenorite are common ore minerals of. All these are the questions asked in Assistant Conservator Forest Geology 2014 exam. And so the choices are A, hydration zone, B, evaporation zone, C, metamorphic zone, and D, oxidation zone. Cuprite and tenorite are common ore minerals of oxidation zone. So the cuprite mineral, these are frequently occurs in association with native copper and also malachite, tenorite, azurite, chrysocolla, and a variety of iron oxide minerals. So cuprite and ternite are common ore minerals of oxidation zone. Next question. Digby oil field has oil bearing formation of A. Miocene age, B. Oligocene age, C. Eocene age, and D. Cretaceous age. So Digby oil field, it has oil bearing formation of Miocene age. In the Digby and Karsang oil fields, oil occurs in Tipam sandstone and Girjuan clay formations. So these are they overlie the Naga thrust. So Digby oil field, it has oil bearing formation of Miocene age. A is the correct option. Next question. Early magmatic segregation deposits are formed as a result of A. Crystallization at low temperature, B. Residual liquid segregation, C. Gravitative crystallization differentiation, and D. Immiscible liquid injection. So early magmatic segregation deposits are formed as a result of gravitative crystallization differentiation. So what is gravitative crystallization? Here some of the ores they represent the metallic oxides, sulfides and native minerals. They are formed during the early stages of the magmatic crystallization and they get segregated by the process of crystal separation which results in the early formed magmatic deposits. So early magmatic segregation deposits are formed as a result of crystallization, that is gravitative crystallization differentiation. C is the correct option. Next question. The ore deposits of magnetite and ilmenite are formed by A. Immiscible liquid segregation, B. Hydrothermal solution, C. Residual liquid injection, D. Immiscible liquid injection. The ore deposits of magnetite and ilmenite are formed by residual liquid injection. So residual liquid which is accumulated during the process of residual liquid segregation, under certain conditions this is injected into the parent rock or the enclosing rocks, resulting in the formation of residual liquid injection deposits. So magnetite and ilmenite, the ore deposits of magnetite and ilmenite are formed by residual liquid injection. C is the correct option. Next question. Here match is there. So match list 1 with list 2. In the list 1, supergene enrichment zone, GOSAN, like ABCD are given, and C, zone of oxidation, and D, placers. In list 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4 are given, above water table, mechanical concentration, ferruginous residue, below the water table. So like this, you have to choose the options like A, A4, B3, C1, and D2, B. A4, B3, C1, and D1, and C, A4, B2, C3, and D1, and D, A4, A3, B4, C2, and D1. So here the correct option is like A. So here supergene enrichment zone, it is below the water table, and GOSAN, it consists of ferruginous residue, and zone of oxidation, it's always above the water table, and placers, these are formed due to mechanical concentration. So A is the correct option. Next question. Sorry, there was some this thing. Yeah, you have to match the list 1 and with the list 2. In the list 1, that is ABCD are given like medium coking coal, fusine, lignite, and sideris. And in the list 2, like sea urchin, brown coal, mineral charcoal, volatile content between 22% and 25%. Here there are ABCD are given like A4, B3, C2, and D1, and B, A4, B3, C1, and D2, and C, A1, B2, and C3, and D4, D, A4, B1, C3, and D2. So here coming to the explanation, coming to here the correct answer is A. So medium coking coal, that is when the volatile content between 22 and 25%, this is known as a medium coking coal. And fusine is also known as a wood charcoal or mineral charcoal. And lignite is also known as a brown coal. So these occur in lignite deposits are in Tamil Nadu, Neyveli of Tamil Nadu. So here C2, that is known as a lignite, is a brown coal, and sideris is nothing but a sea urchin. So here the correct option is A. Coming to the next question. Talcher coal fields occur in A. West Bengal, B. Orissa, C. Bihar, and D. Maharashtra. Talcher coal fields occur in Odisha. Talcher coal field, it is located in Angul district in the Indian state of Odisha and in the valley of Brahmani. So Talcher coal field, it occurs in Odisha is the correct. B. Odisha is the correct answer. Next question. A stockwork is. So how do you define a stockwork? A. An intersecting network of small ore-bearing veinlets. B. Equally distributed throughout a fissure vein. C. Fat lenses in schists. And D. Closely spaced distinct and parallel veins. So stockwork is an intersecting network of small ore-bearing veinlets. In geology, stockwork is nothing but it is a complex system and which consists of structurally controlled or they also consist of randomly oriented veins, and these stockworks are common in many ore deposits. And so these deposits are also in greisens, that is GREISENs, greisens, and they are also referred as stringer zones. So stockwork is A, an intersecting network of small ore bearing veinlets is the correct option. So next question. In symmetric folds, oil mostly occurs in, it's very simple question. A, crest, B, gently dipping limbs, and C, steep dipping limbs, and D, trough. So in symmetric folds, oil mostly occurs in B, gently dipping limbs. B is the correct option. Next question. Fluid inclusions are commonly found in A, pegmatitic ores, B, saddle reefs, C, coal, and D, petroleum. Fluid inclusions are commonly found in pegmatitic ores. So the center zones of complex pegmatites, they contain a wide variety of minerals. This is very important. So the center zone of pegmatites, they contain wide variety of minerals like tourmaline, topaz, garnet, spodumene, scapolite, beryl, apatite, fluorite, zircon, and various rare minerals are also being seen, and they limited to only a few localities in the world. So these are very important. So fluid inclusions are very commonly found in pegmatitic ores. A is the correct option. Next question. The greatest period of coal formation in India is A, Miocene. The options are A, Miocene, B, Triassic, C, Eocene, and D, Permian. Obviously, Permian is the correct option. The greatest period of coal formation in India is Permian. In India, Permian coal deposits, they constitute approximately 99% of the total coal reserves of the country, and they occur in the early Permian Karharbari formation, early Permian Barakar formation, and the late Permian Raniganj formation. So the greatest period of coal formation in India is Permian. So D is the correct option. Next question. Gondwana coal normally occurs as A, in situ deposits, B, drift deposits, C, hydrothermal deposits, and D, mesothermal deposits. So Gondwana coal normally occurs as drift deposits. So drift theory, it explains that the plant material, it was transported with the stream of water from one place to another. That itself is known as a drift, and it finally get deposited in a place of swamp, which consists of that means which contains suitable conditions like sediments. So this is favorable formation for the sediment deposition, and the coal seams of India are mostly of the drift deposits. So B is the correct option. So I hope you have learned something from these questions, and you can explore, you can subscribe to this channel, Explore Geosciences, and thanks for your time, and your suggestions are most welcome. See you in the next video.